These 15 gadgets look completely ordinary until you see what they can actually do. One can reveal heat that your eyes can't see. Another can blast dust out of places you can't reach. There's even a tiny tool that can help you find things you've lost in seconds. And, trust me, you don't want to skip number 12. Because some of these gadgets solve problems you probably deal with every single week, but never knew there was an easy solution for. So, let's start with one of the smallest gadgets on this list. And don't forget to check the links below if you want to see the products for yourself. Now here's a gadget that's ridiculously small. The Olight Imini 2 is a rechargeable keychain flashlight that can produce up to 50 lumens. The best part? You can literally attach it to your keys and forget about it until you need it. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep replacing tiny batteries. It's useful for finding something in a dark bag, unlocking a door at night, checking under furniture, or keeping as a small emergency light. It's not trying to replace a giant flashlight. It's designed to always be there when you suddenly need a little light. If you've ever tried repairing small electronics, you know traditional soldering equipment can be bulky and inconvenient. This compact cordless soldering iron changes that. It heats up in around 7 seconds and gives you adjustable temperature control, ranging from approximately 390 to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. You also get multiple precision tips, making it suitable for different small repair jobs. And, because it's cordless, you can work without being tied to a traditional workstation. There's even an automatic sleep feature for added convenience. It's basically a precision repair tool shrunk down into a much more portable package. How many times have you searched your entire house for your keys? This little gadget is designed to make that problem much easier. Attach one of the receivers to something you frequently misplace, like your keys, wallet, glasses, bag, or another everyday item. Then, when you can't find it, simply press the matching button on the remote. The receiver produces a loud sound, helping you locate the missing item without checking every room. You can connect multiple receivers to keep track of several things at once. It's a ridiculously simple idea. But once you stop wasting time searching for your keys, you'll probably wonder why you didn't have one sooner. And next, we're upgrading one of the most basic things sitting on your desk. Your phone probably spends hours sitting on your desk. So instead of leaving it flat beside you, this adjustable stand gives it a proper viewing position. You can change the height and viewing angle, making it easier to watch videos, follow instructions, check notifications, or keep your phone visible while you're working. And when you're finished, the stand folds down so it's easy to store or carry. There's nothing complicated about it. But that's exactly why it's useful. It's one of those small upgrades that can make your desk feel more organized without taking up much space. This looks like a tiny handheld device. But turn it on, and it becomes a seriously powerful air blower. This cordless electric air duster can reach speeds of up to 110,000 revolutions per minute and gives you 3 adjustable speed levels. It's designed for blasting dust and debris out of keyboards, computers, car interiors, tight spaces, and other areas where a cloth can't easily reach. And, because it's rechargeable, you don't need to keep buying disposable cans of compressed air. Just charge it, grab it, and blow the dust away. It's fast, portable, and honestly pretty satisfying to use. Walking through a dark hallway at night shouldn't require turning on every light in the house. These rechargeable motion sensor lights automatically illuminate when movement is detected. They attach magnetically, so you can place them inside closets, hallways, bedrooms, stairs, bathrooms, or other dark areas. You can also choose between different color temperatures and adjust the brightness to suit the space. And, because they're cordless, you don't need to run wires or permanently install anything. Walk into the area, the light comes on. Walk away, and you're done. But if your laptop is running out of ports, the next gadget might be the one you need. Modern laptops keep getting thinner. Unfortunately, that often means they come with fewer ports. This compact USB-C hub solves that problem by turning one USB-C connection into multiple useful ports. You can connect displays through HDMI, plug in USB accessories, transfer files using memory cards, and even connect power through the charging port. It supports 4K video output and can provide up to 100 watts of power delivery. Instead of carrying several separate adapters, you can keep one compact hub in your laptop bag. It's basically a tiny expansion dock you can take anywhere. This isn't just a screwdriver. It's an entire precision repair kit packed into one compact case. You get a huge selection of bits and accessories, while the cordless electric screwdriver provides multiple torque settings for different jobs. It's designed for delicate repairs involving phones, laptops, cameras, watches, game consoles, and other small electronics. The magnetic system also helps keep those tiny screws and bits under control. Instead of searching through a drawer for the right screwdriver, everything you need can stay organized in one place. And with this many pieces, there's a good chance you'll suddenly start looking around the house for something that needs fixing. If your drawers, boxes, cables, and storage containers are always getting mixed up, this tiny gadget could completely change that. It's a compact Bluetooth label maker that connects to your phone, so you can create customized labels using an app. You can choose different templates and designs, then print labels without traditional ink. It also includes a built-in cutter, making the whole process quick and simple. Use it for storage boxes, school supplies, cables, kitchen containers, office drawers, or basically anything you want to organize. And here's the dangerous part. Once you start labeling everything, you might realize just how many things in your house need a label. Next up, we're moving from organization to precision. Sometimes you don't need a bigger mirror. You need a closer one. This trifold illuminated mirror combines multiple magnification levels with adjustable lighting, giving you a much clearer view when you're working on detailed grooming or skincare tasks. The touch controls make it easy to adjust the brightness, while the folding design keeps it compact when you're finished. You can place it on a desk, vanity, or dorm room table, and it's also convenient when you need a more detailed view than a standard mirror provides. It's simple, but surprisingly useful. Hanging a picture should be easy, until you step back and realize it's slightly crooked. This compact laser level makes that problem much easier to avoid. It projects clear horizontal and vertical lines onto the surface, giving you an instant reference when hanging frames, decorations, shelves, or marking positions on a wall. Instead of constantly measuring, stepping back, adjusting, and measuring again, you can work from a visible laser line. It's especially useful when you want clean, accurate results without relying entirely on guesswork. Okay, this is where things get seriously interesting. This handheld thermal imaging camera lets you visualize temperature differences that are completely invisible to your eyes. Instead of capturing ordinary images, it creates a heat map showing warmer and cooler areas. That can make it useful for inspecting equipment, finding unusual temperature changes, checking areas that are difficult to see normally, and exploring heat patterns around you. It features a high-resolution thermal display, a 25 Hz refresh rate, long battery life, and temperature alerts. And watching a normal-looking object suddenly appear as a colorful thermal image is genuinely fascinating. This is the kind of gadget that feels like futuristic technology. But we still have 3 more gadgets, and the final one might be the most satisfying of them all. Sometimes you don't need a huge power tool. You just need a small tool that gives you better control. This compact hot glue gun features a fine tip designed for detailed crafting, repairs, decorations, and DIY projects. Its smaller form factor makes it easier to maneuver around tight areas, while the cordless option gives you more freedom to work without constantly dealing with a cable. It's the kind of tool that can sit quietly in a drawer for weeks, then suddenly become exactly what you need when something breaks or a small project comes up. This might look like a basic kitchen scale, but it's designed to make measurements much more precise. It can weigh up to 22 pounds and measure in 1-gram increments while supporting multiple measurement units. The tare function lets you reset the weight of a container so you can measure exactly what you're adding. It's also rechargeable and features a water-resistant design that makes everyday cleanup easier. Whether you're baking, preparing meals, portioning ingredients, or simply trying to get accurate measurements, it removes the guesswork. But now it's time for the final gadget. Cleaning a bathroom can be exhausting, especially when you're doing all the scrubbing yourself. This cordless electric spin scrubber takes over the repetitive part. It comes with multiple interchangeable brush heads designed for different cleaning surfaces and offers adjustable speeds for more control. The long handle helps you reach awkward areas without constantly bending down, while the cordless design lets you move freely around the room. Instead of spending all your energy repeatedly scrubbing the same surface, let the rotating brush do much of the work. And honestly, watching stubborn dirt disappear with a powered brush is surprisingly satisfying. It's not the flashiest gadget on this list, but it might be one of the ones you actually use the most. And that's 15 gadgets that prove you don't need something huge to make a huge difference. Which one would you actually buy? Let me know in the comments, and if you found at least one gadget you didn't know existed, hit subscribe because we've got plenty more coming. I'll see you in the next one.